Hey, look it. I'm gonna make a truck piñata. Camera. I'm gonna connect the other corner after it dries. This is like a huge piñata. Got all four corners up now. Now I just had to put the tailgate on. And then, yeah, where the rope's gonna be, like how I'm gonna do that part. Okay, but anyway, so I got the hood on, and I got the front fender on. Wait, that's not the fender, that's a bumper. And I got the top of it on. Actually, I didn't think that through. I didn't make it a truck box. I didn't put a box in there. Well, it's fine. Okay, you know what? You can just have a cover. Okay, and then I got the tailgate on. And then the top of this, and I think it looks pretty good. Okay, so I finished up the windshield and the back window. Now all I gotta do is paint it and then put a bottom on it. I put tons of supports so it's super duper strong. Okay, so I got everything done on the outside except for mirrors. I got this bow, so I'm gonna put it on there like that, so it's like kind of like I'm getting a brand new truck. And then I'm gonna put this confetti inside. Guys, look! I finished the piñata. My mom did all this fancy artwork